Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. So in today's video we're going to do a DIY deep treatment mask, and that's the product, those are the products we're going to use for this DIY deep treatment mask. And the important ingredients, you're going to need aloe vera juice. So I made this aloe vera juice like a week ago and I had to put it in the refrigerator, and this is how I made the aloe vera juice. I just scoop it out with a spoon and then later on strain it using a sifter or strainer, sorry, and then put it on in a bottle and then put it in the refrigerator. So here, this was last week. You're gonna see me use that on my daughter's hair. Like here, this hair has been like 2 weeks old, so I just want to refresh the hair and using the aloe vera juice as a leave-in. That was last week. I went ahead and kept the aloe vera juice in the refrigerator that we're going to use it next. So you're also going to need 2 avocados for this DIY deep treatment masks. So you're going to take out the seed and just scoop out the avocados. We're using a spoon like so. So actually I use 2 avocados, so you're gonna see me use this full one, just take half of the full one, but I had a half of an old, like what I ate yesterday, so I just took this one. So I used 2 avocados actually. So you're gonna grab your banana, so I used 2 bananas. I'll just grab my blender and I'm gonna just pour everything in there, and I'm gonna proceed with adding all the other liquid ingredients I have. So I'm just gonna scoop out 5 tablespoons of mayo like so. And equally add 5 tablespoons of olive oil. I think it's optional for your preference. It depends on, with the DIY treatment you can play around with the measurements of things you use. So this is what I went with because this is what I use. And then finally add 5 spoons of honey for shine. And finally, we're going to use 2 eggs, but I'm going to use the egg yolks only. So we're going to use 2 egg yolks. So just use the spoon and just scoop it out like so and add it on to the rest of the ingredients. So I later on used the egg white that day to fry pancakes for my kids, so nothing is wasted. So please guys, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. And the final ingredient, before I forget, you add in your aloe vera juice. So I just took that out of the refrigerator and measured a cup of aloe vera juice and added on to the mixture. It's time to blend. So guys, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button and make sure you turn on the notification bell button so you get notified each time I post new videos. Thank you. See how creamy that is. See how creamy. So healthy, so yummy. I felt like taking a scoop of that and eating, but it's for our hair, remember, it's for our hair. So there it is, there you have it. A wonderful hair food that will make your hair, leave your hair so moisturized. So I went ahead and prepped my hair. I washed my hair, washed my daughter's hair, my two daughters' hair. And here you're going to see me, that's her hair. Her hair is 4C. When I apply, I do this routine, her hair, it leaves her hair so moisturized throughout the week. So I do this every month. So I make sure I deep condition their hair with protein treatment every month like this. So I'm just applying a generous amount. I'll cover all of her hair with the deep treatment mask. She never had hair at the back of her head. So I've been using this routine since she was born. And you see how healthy her hair look and see how defined her hair is. Just applying that product. So this routine can be so messy. So I try my best and make sure I do everything in the sink and cover her hair with a shower cap. And then later on add some plastic bags to it to just cover her hair and then let it sit for about 45 minutes and up. So I went ahead and applied the remainder of the hair treatment on my hair. So right here, I cut my hair in July of 2020 because I had postpartum shedding. So right here, I'm just trying to start all over with my hair journey. So you see me, that was me some years back where I was enjoying my hair. My hair was really long, healthy. But then after I had my second daughter in 2019, I had a lot of hair breakage, and that's how I cut my hair. Okay, love, thank you so much for watching, and go follow us on Instagram and show us some love at Chantal B Sama. Thank you all so much, and see you guys in the next one. And go watch my other videos where I share my natural hair journey and other week review videos that I do. Thank you all, and God bless. Bye guys. Mwah.